Hello everyone, my name is Gina and this is Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our BOXYCHARM. We'll find out in a moment if this is probably the premium box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with BOXYCHARM, I will leave all the information down below as well as a link so that if you decide you would like to try BOXYCHARM out for yourself, you will have all the information right at your fingertips. Okay, so let's just jump in and see what's in here. This box is soaking wet. Okay, I'm telling you, look at the packaging. This is not good, but I want to see the condition of the products that are on the inside. So let's just, oh, this is bad. I pulled the box open and it began to tear. Okay, so this is the premium box because it is blue. See, look at that. Oh, that is so bad. Okay, but this is the premium box because the inside of it is blue. Okay, so how about we jump right in? All right. Wow, even this is wet. Yeah, okay, let's get to our description card. I have to be really careful because this is very wet and I do not want it to tear. I want to give you all accurate information. So the first item that we have is by Elements, and this is the Superfood Midnight Facial, and it says a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon working. Infused with superfoods, camu, banana flour, and CoCo nib extract. This vitamin and mineral-rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price of this product is $50. This is a 1.6 fluid ounce size, and it says it's for all skin types, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so we're just going to open up the outer packaging, which is also wet. Okay, so, oh, this is a beautiful jar and the color is beautiful. All right, and this is what the inside jar or inside packaging looks like. They have no other details about it there. So that is item number one, okay? Then item number two is by Fenty Beauty, and this packaging is wet as well, so just let me dry it off and we'll keep going. Okay, so the next item is by Fenty. I apologize for the glare. And this is the Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. This is a one-of-a-kind diamond dusted highlighter that applies like a 3D glitter veil, delivering pure show-stopping sparkle all over the face and body. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $40, and this is a 0.28 ounce size with a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and the shade that I have is called Cognac Candy, and this is what it's supposed to look like. So let's just see what the inside packaging looks like. This is gorgeous. Okay, now we must admit, Fenty does have some very unique packaging. Whew, this shade is gorgeous. Look at that. I can't wait. Okay, I said I was gonna stop saying that. I'm excited to try this out. So I'm just gonna take a brush and let's just swatch a little, okay? So I'm not going to put my fingers on it. I'm just going to swatch it. How about that? Woohoo! Oh, I like that. Oh, that shimmer is gorgeous. Okay. All right, come on with it. Cognac candy. All right, and that is item number 2. Then item number 3 is by Avarni, and this is the Balance Restoring Serum. And it says this gentle alcohol-free toning serum clarifies your skin, removes toxins, and minimizes the appearance of pores and dark spots, while restoring your natural moisture barrier. Formulated with clarifying, calming ingredients like tea tree oil, cucumber extract, chamomile flowers, and witch hazel. Made without mineral oils, parabens, sulfates, irritants, synthetic fragrances, or animal cruelty. I like. This is a new brand to Boxy, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $60. Okay, this is the outer packaging, and let's just check it out. It says it has I want to say 9-month. All right, it says directions, unscrew top, and discard the protective seal. They actually have to tell you that? Wow. Tilt and lightly shake the bottle 2 to 3 times to disperse serum into a cotton pad or clean hands. Gently press over face and neck. Apply day and or night, always after cleansing, and it's for external use only. So when we open, even this box is wet. Oh, this packaging is gorgeous. Okay, and yes, it does have a 9-month shelf life. And it says pore refining. No, it says it's pore shrinking, balancing, and calming. All right. And this is a 1.7 fluid ounce size. Look at that bottle. That is gorgeous. That is really gorgeous. Well, I don't want to open it yet because the shelf life is so short, but I really would love to know what this smells like. Okay, so this one is item number 3, okay? Then, item number 4 is by, ooh, I recognize this symbol. Woo! It's my favorite brushes, y'all. This is by LARUCE Beauty, and this is the 3-piece contour brush set with serviced by limited edition pouch. Okay, it says it has the LR331 flat angle, the LR342 contour blending, and the LR117 angled shading brush. And they are perfect. This is the perfect brush trio for contouring with your favorite formulas. They apply and seamlessly blend contours for the most flawless finish. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $50. Okay, now let's just go ahead and take a closer look. I do like the carrying pouch with the lips all over it. How about that? Now, I do have all 3 of these brushes, but I don't have them in pink. So here they are. I love these brushes. I really do. They are very dense, very soft, and they last a long time. Okay? So how about that? The numbers are on the brushes as well. Okay, they appear right here on each of the handles. And that's one of the things I really like the most about these brushes. They don't slip because you have a nice gripper in it. I think the other brushes that I have like this are motor brushes, if I'm not mistaken. That's something that I really do like. So I'm looking forward to using these when we do our try-on review and first impressions, okay? So that is item number 4. Then the next item we have is by KVD, formerly Kat Von D, and this is the Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. Okay, I apologize for the packaging. I know that it is rather light. Okay, and so it says both high pigmented lipstick and hydrating lip care, both buttery and vegan, packed with pigment for one swipe color with a comfortable shiny finish, powered by vegan Capicua butter to help nourish lips and give it that ultra buttery balm-like feel. Lips look smooth and full. The slim case is made from 100% post-consumer recycled materials, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $22. Okay, the shade that I have is a Lolita. Okay, and it says this is a 0.03 fluid ounce size. This is almost like the texture on the LARUCE brushes. Okay, ooh, nice. That is beautiful. Look at that in person, and let's just go ahead and swatch it. Oh yes. Look at that. How about that, y'all? Okay. All right, and then the next item that we have, which is the last product in this month's premium box, is the Base Blue Cosmetics Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. Okay, and it says ready to go towelettes that whisk away face and eye makeup without irritation. The dry beauty wipes foam up once activated with water and gently remove any excess oil and slough off dead cells from the skin. Each individually wrapped wipe can be used as a pair for double cleansing to take off heavy makeup after an evening out. Now, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $21. Okay. I like that they are individually wrapped. Okay, so you don't have to necessarily worry about that. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, let's take a look at the packaging. Okay, so you see this right here, right? It says wet, but when you slide it down just a little, it then says dry. So it goes from wet to dry, or dry to wet. Okay, and it also says it on the sides of the packaging. All right, so let's just open it all the way and see. This is very ingenious. Okay, this is how they are. Okay, I like it a lot. It says the wonder begins. All right, there are 10 wet towelettes and 10 dry. All right, let's see what the individual packaging looks like. All right, this is the makeup removing wipe, okay? And then this is the one you use at night, okay? Or when you really have some heavy duty makeup on, and this is the dry white. And this one says Dry Beauty Cleansing White, Water Activate Cleansing White, gentle to use on sensitive skin, removes excess oil and refreshes the skin. All right, and the wet one says effectively removes makeup, dirt, and oil. Okay. I really like this idea. So I'm excited to try it out. I will let you know how this works out, okay? So that is everything that we had in our May BOXYCHARM Premium Box, okay? That's it. This is really pretty good. I like the fact that nothing here other than the brushes, but they were in a different color, have I received before. Last month was tough for me, okay? Because out of the 10 products that I received, 3 of them were items that I'd previously gotten, okay? So, but nonetheless, what do you think? I'm very, very pleased with what I received this time, okay? So, I just want to say thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our BOXYCHARM Premium Box for the month of May. And these are the items that were included. And down below you will see the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that appeared in this box, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.